In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Excel data entry in Microsoft Excel. Learning proper data entry in Excel is one of the most important skills you can develop because accurate data is the foundation of every calculation, report, and analysis you create. When data is entered correctly, your spreadsheet becomes easier to manage, understand, and update. To begin, open Microsoft Excel and create a new worksheet or use an existing one. Start by clicking on a cell where you want to enter your first piece of data. Once the cell is selected, simply type the information you want to input. This can be text, numbers, dates, or a combination of values depending on your worksheet purpose. After typing, press Enter to move down to the next row or press Tab to move to the next column. As you continue entering data, make sure each column represents one type of information only. For example, one column may contain names while another contains dates or amounts. Keeping your data organized this way helps Excel understand how to work with it later when sorting, filtering, or creating formulas. If you need to enter the same value multiple times, Excel makes this faster. You can type the value once, select the cell, and then drag the small square at the corner of the cell to fill the data down or across. This is especially useful for repeating entries or continuing number sequences. Excel also allows you to edit data easily. If you make a mistake, click on the cell again and retype the value, or double-click the cell to edit only part of the content. You can also use the formula bar at the top to review and adjust what is inside a selected cell. For better accuracy, take advantage of Excel features like alignment and formatting while entering data. Aligning numbers and text properly improves readability, and formatting helps distinguish different types of data. Clear formatting makes it easier to spot errors and understand information quickly. As your worksheet grows, scroll through your data to review entries and confirm that everything is placed in the correct column and row. Consistent data entry prevents problems later when performing calculations or creating charts. By practicing clean and organized data entry, you build strong Excel habits that save time and reduce errors. This simple process is the foundation of working efficiently in Excel and ensures your spreadsheets remain clear, accurate, and reliable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.